Hello everyone, welcome. We haven't formally been introduced to numbers yet in this course, so here are the numbers 0 through 10, and I'm going to use the International Phonetic Alphabet here to help you visualize each individual sound. Remember, one symbol represents one sound in the IPA. So let's get started. So zéro, 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 zéro. This is a nasalized sound. The tilde means that you channel the air through your nasal cavity when you're pronouncing this vowel. So, de, 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 trois, 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 quatre, 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 quatre. Cinq. Again, this is nasalized. Cinq, cinq, cinq. This can be pronounced one of three ways. If it's just a number that you're counting, six, before a consonant, si, before a vowel sound, six. So six, si, six, six, si, six. Sept, set. Remember the P represents no sound here. Set, set. Huit. The H is silent, so huit, huit. Before a consonant, oui, oui. Huit, oui. Neuf, neuf, neuf. When counting, dix, before a vowel, dix, dix, dix. Let's quickly review. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. C'est tout. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.